Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of POS Order Note. So BrowseInfo's Odoo POS Order Notes application lets you add and manage the custom notes directly from the POS touchscreen. You can easily record the internal staff notes or customer remarks and print them on the POS receipts. So for the first step here I have already configured the database and I'm just going to the point of sale module and continue with the selling, and here I'm selecting one product, and here you can find one option for note. So here you can add the note, and you just have to click on this add button. And now I'm just selecting the customer and proceed with the payment. So here you can see our order is completed and this note is reflected in the invoice. Now I'm just going to the back end, and under the orders I'm selecting the order we had completed. So you can see the notes is also reflected in the back end. So that's how our module works. If you have any queries, put them on the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe BrowseInfo's channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.